I don't hang in borrowed heavens, I don't flicker for a name. Every spark inside my orbit, not exactly why it came. No telescope could measure what quietly aligns. There's a universe unfolding in the architecture of my mind. The signals flicker in the night. Ooh, still the day rearranges to fit the light. I am a private constellation, made by no one else's eyes, caught in threads in silent motion, throwing shades across my sky. I don't echo into gravity under drift to be defined. Every star I carry glows from an undiscovered design. Midnight veins around me softly, velvet vast and unafraid. Even in the deepest lightness, my coordinates are made. No crowd in my cosmos, just infinite breathing and luminous care. If no one names the bathroom, still exists the state. The stars don't ask for witnesses to justify their flame. I am private constellation, quiet brilliance undefined, galaxies in my foundation.